This chapter, we're just going to be doing these formulas here in question form, okay? So it's basically what you're looking to do is you're looking to match up whichever question you have. You're looking to match up the object with the formula, and for the most part that's the only trick there is, okay? So we're going to start off with the first question has a trapezium question. A trapezium is a four-sided object where two of the sides are parallel to each other, okay? So it's a plus b over 2 times height is what I'm looking for. A plus b over 2 times height. So the area here is a plus b divided by 2 multiplied by height. So what I have to do for all these questions here is I just got to find the two. A is one length of one. There's always two sides that are parallel, and A and B are the lengths of the two parallel sides. So for question 18, can anybody tell me what A and B are? 5 and 8, okay? Okay, and what's the height? 3. So it's very much just putting the formula into the numbers into the equation, okay? So we're going to get 5 plus 8 all over 2 multiplied by 3. And that is going to be 13 over 2 multiplied by 3, which is going to be 39 over 2. Okay, 39 over 2. Its area, so is it centimetres cubed, or centimetres squared? Squared, centimetres squared, okay? That's how you do all them basically, alright? They're actually quite handy. No. Now, any questions?
You make that decimal.
Okay. Sorry, what? Starting again. This could also be presented in a decimal format, which would be 19.5 centimetres squared when you just press the change function in the calculator. Okay, the next one is these ones here, right? A rectangle has a width of 16 pi centimetres. Two circular pieces, each of radius 8, are cut from the rectangular piece as shown. Find the length L of the rectangular piece of metal. Okay, each of radius are cut from the rectangular piece of metal. Okay, I need to get the area, I need to find the area of it. A rectangular piece of metal has a width of 16 pi centimetres. Two circular pieces, each of radius 8, are cut from the rectangular piece as shown. Find the length L of the rectangular piece of metal. There's actually, okay, so guys, what this is the radius of the circle is 8, therefore 2 times the radius is 16, okay, so the length is 16. Calculate the area of the metal not used, the shaded section, give your answer in the terms of pi. All we got to do here is the following. Okay. So what we're going to have here is we're going to have a rectangle, and from the rectangle we're going to take away 2 circles, okay? So the rectangle minus 2 circles of the same length. I'll just lay them in there. Luke, I'll talk to you in a minute, okay? Okay, so it's rectangle minus 2 circles. So the area of a rectangle is length by width. The area of a circle is pi r squared, and the area of the other circle is pi r squared. So length by width is going to be it's going to be 16 pi. 16 pi multiplied by 16 minus pi r squared is going to be pi times 8 squared minus another pi times 8 squared. Best just to put it all straight in and write down the answer then, okay? So 16 times 16 pi minus pi bracket 8 squared minus the other pi and the other 8 squared. You could do 2 pi 8 squared if you wanted, but this way is also grand, it's better for understanding. Press equals, it wants to leave it in terms of pi, so the answer is 128 pi. Okay, so 128 pi. Is that right? We have enough? Alright. Next one, 26, alright. The rear wiper of a car rotates of an arm 42 centimetres long. That means the radius of the circle is 42 centimetres long. The wiper blade is, it's the arm, okay? The arm is 42 centimetres long, but the wiper blade itself only covers this area here. So if you're ever in a car, there's always one section that never becomes see-through because the wiper blade doesn't go down that far, okay? So the wiper rotates through an angle of 120 degrees as shown in the diagram. Calculate the area of the windscreen cleaned by the wiper in terms of pi. Alright, now cleaned, you just want to find the part that's clean, okay? So to find the part that's clean, what we do is this. We get the area of the full so-called sector, okay? And then we're going to take away the area of the small sector. So the area of the small sector will be this part here. So it's just one of them minus the other one, okay? So it's the so 42 minus 27 is 15. The length of the small one is 15, okay? So that's 15, 15. This one here is 42 and 42. So what we need to do is we're going to get the red area and we're going to take away the blue area, and this in turn will leave the green or black area, okay? That's how we're going to go about doing this. What I need to do now is I need to find a formula that does that for me, okay? So I'm just going to go back to the blue section of the book, and it's not here at the moment, okay? So it's obviously the next page. What's for this, okay? And this is actually guaranteed to be in your math sets. Is the following, right? To get the area of a full circle, it's pi r squared. But you don't have a full circle, you have a fraction of a circle. To find out what that fraction is, whatever angle you have, divide it by 360 and multiply it by the full area. And that will result in the answer, okay? So it's 120. This one here is also 120. Okay? So what we're going to get is 120 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 42 squared. The other one is the same thing. Minus 120 over 360 pi times 15 squared. Once again, there is absolutely no need to break that down. All you got to do is go straight into the calculator with it exactly as it looks. Okay? So 120 over 360. Will somebody do that in the calculator as well, just to check my answer, please?
Sure.
42 squared minus 120. 120 divided by 360. And then you have pi. And then you have 15 squared. Okay, just sit down. And 513 pi. Okay. So 513 pi. Okay.